Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to unblock someone on Instagram. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. From here, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then scroll down and look for the blocked option. This is where Instagram shows the list of all the accounts you have blocked. Now find the person you want to unblock. You can scroll through the list. Once you find the account, tap on Unblock next to their username. Instagram will ask you to confirm this action, so tap Unblock again to confirm. And just like that, the person is now unblocked and will be able to see your profile, posts, and stories again, depending on your privacy settings. And that's it. Now you know how to unblock someone on Instagram.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.